Hello dear children, in the previous videos we have studied that point, line, line segment, ray and angle we have studied. Based on that we have solved some of the exercise also. The remaining exercise you have to solve your own. Next comes plane figure. Plane figures. In these plane figures you are going to learn some of the concept. Just remember this one. See, in the plane figures, a plane means what you have to understand first. Suppose if you pour some water on the ground, okay, on the ground means on the floor. On the floor if you pour some water, it will go in all the direction. It will not flow only in one direction. Is it? If you pour some water on the floor, it will flow along the wherever in which direction it wants, it will go. Is it? So that in all the direction it is going means this is called a flat surface, where this flat surface is nothing but plane. The flat surface is nothing but plane, we can say. Okay. So here flat surface, what do you mean by plane? Plane is nothing but a flat surface which extends in all the direction. Plane means it is a flat surface. It is a flat surface which extends in all the direction. Which extends means which goes in all the direction. It is not having only one particular direction. It will go in all the direction. Okay. Next comes simple open figures. Simple open figures. What are these simple open figures means? See, in the open figures, what these simple open figures are telling means, if you draw any figure which will start at one point and which ends at another point. See, starting is A point, ending at B point, but A point is different, B point is different. So what we can say, these simple open figures are those figures which is having starting and ending points are different. You can draw in many ways. This is the starting point and this is ending point. See, this is P is a starting point, Q is ending point, where it is not meeting. See, this P is separate, Q is separate, here it is open, hence these are called open figures. If you draw one more, see, here X is starting point and Y is ending point. X and Y are again, both are at different points, hence these are called simple open figures. Even what you have studied in the last video, angle you have studied. Is it? This angle is also a simple open figures. It is the example for simple open figures. Okay. See, in the alphabets I hope you can understand. C is open figure. Okay. Next, which one will come? V is open figure. W is open figure. Yes. Like this you have to understand which all will come under open figures. Simple open figures. Next will come simple closed figures. Simple closed figures. What are these simple closed figures means? Which is having starting point and ending points are same. Starting point and ending points are same. See, it is starting at A point and it is ending at the same point. Okay. Next, if I draw one more figure, again starting at X point and ending at the same point. Next one, if I draw square, suppose if I start from here, starting and ending points are again same. See, this is called circle. It is called triangle and this one is called square. One more will come which is having two sides are opposite sides are equal, that is rectangle. So in today's class we have studied about plane figures, in that simple open figures and simple closed figures. We will study more about this in the next video. Thank you.